Hi, in our previous video we have seen how to create a singleton pattern in Java, both lazy and early initializations, and how to make it thread safe. So in this tutorial we will see how to break those singleton pattern and get multiple objects of the same class. This can be achieved using two ways, either by serialization or reflection. Here we will use reflection, which is better way to create object as it doesn't require the singleton class to implement serialization. We will make the second singleton variable s2 as null and import constructor from reflect class and get the array of all the constructors of singleton class. We will loop all the constructor, and for each constructor we will set accessible as true and then create a new instance of singleton class and assign it to s2. We need to put it inside a try catch block and cast new instance to singleton. And after we rerun, we can see that two objects have been generated. JUnit and other framework uses reflection to break the singleton behavior of database connection object and so on. That's all for this tutorial. Don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe to CodeSpace. For any queries, write in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.